So this is what happens when you forget to bring targets to the range. You go scrounging for some.
Found some.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's episode is brought to you by
BulletSafe.
That's right, and PV and the PV Wolfgang guitar here. Yeah, well, no, PV didn't sponsor this at all, but BulletSafe
did.
Yeah, they sent us this body armor. It's level 3A, and we put it in a box. We're going to go set it up downrange down there and shoot at it a little bit. What are we going to shoot today?
So we got a couple of guns today. We got a 9mm out of a SIG. So the SIG SP 2022.
Nice.
And then we got the AR pistol here.
Nice.
And by the way, guys, we won. The braces are legal still for now.
Yeah, as of right now, the
ATF can go and...
Well, they rescinded the suggestions that this classifies this as something other than a pistol and all that noise. But anyway, those of you that contributed to the, writing your Congress people and all that stuff, thank you. I know I did. I did a lot of that. Okay, so we're going to get down there. We're going to...
We also got another gun, too. So this is not a guitar.
No.
This is a...
I figured I'd bring this out, just commemorating the loss of a great guitarist, Eddie Van Halen. And
Eddie Van Halen probably would have loved if he saw that come out of there.
He would, man.
So we got a
he would.
Benelli Nova Tactical. This was the very first gun that started the YouTube channel.
Yeah, it kind of did.
So we brought that out as a little treat for you guys, mostly for us.
So we're gonna actually take the 5.56. We're gonna take the 9mm, and we're gonna take the shotgun. We're gonna shoot this. Now, keep in mind, this is not rated for slugs or rifles the way that we have it right now. It's rated for handguns.
Yes.
So it's a level 3A. Now, I do have a plate that can go inside of here that brings that up, but we didn't bring that today. We're going to save that for another time where we can get some long-range rifles out and try it with that.
That's fun.
Yeah, but in the meantime...
We got this. We're just seeing, if a shotgun would penetrate it, if a handgun or a 5.56, the most commonly used weapons in, robberies or home invasions, So
it's all about the home defense. All right, let's try it. All right, we're getting up our borrowed targets.
Tons of.
And then we have the body armor sitting right there. It's on top of a couple boxes so we can get a little bit of height. I'm kind of thinking that as we shoot this, if it gets knocked over, that's okay, because I think with a 9mm, if you got hit with a 9mm, it would probably knock you down. Yeah, probably would. But we're gonna see. All right. Oh, I got it backwards. There you go. Flip it that way. There you go. And we're gonna shoot right in here. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, folks, always bring eyes, ears, and a med kit. We have MyMedic has some great med kits available. I'll put a link down below, but always bring something like this because you never know.
Y'all need to get yourselves one of these.
All right, Shooting Kid's got his 223. You know what? Could we do the 9mm first?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. And we got stuff rolling. Oh, what's that?
We got hollow point round, and then we got full metal jacket.
Ooh, one of each. Hang on a second. All right, I'm in. Okay, what do we got?
All right, so this is full metal jacket, or this is the hollow point round here. Oh, that should feel something. And this is the full metal jacket right there.
9mm, right?
9mm. So this is quite some interesting results here.
Okay, let's peel that back. Just take the... Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, hey, so we caught something.
Yeah, okay.
So definitely there's a bulge on this.
No holes in the cardboard, although it is kind of dented right here, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, there's a dent. So that's going to probably bruise. Can you see down in there? Ooh. Ooh.
So there's your full metal jacket right, or hollow point right there. And then you got your full metal jacket right there.
But it did not go
It
through.
did not come.
Let's pull that pad out of there.
All right.
Okay, so that was
So hollow point, full metal jacket.
okay.
The hollow point got stopped further to the front here.
Yeah.
More of a bulge
Ooh.
up front here.
I feel kind of something right there.
Oh, look at that right there. There it is right there.
Okay, stopped it.
So I wonder. That's it. That is it right there.
Okay, it stopped it. Nice.
And then this one is on the back side.
Oh, it's just a bulge.
So not much of a bulge. So the hollow point seems like it went less further, which is typical because it's spreading out.
Right.
The full metal jacket's a solid ball round. It just goes further in.
Yeah.
So hopefully when this is all over, maybe we'll cut this back and look at the rounds and see what kind of damage the armor did to it.
Yeah. So that's that ball round. Yeah. I'm surprised, man. It dented the cardboard, so it's gonna hurt. All right. Shall we try 223?
We shall try 223 now.
Okay. Keep in mind, guys, this particular setup is not designed for rifle rounds. Okay, it's handgun rounds only. It's level 3A. Okay, but we're gonna put a rifle round into it and see what happens. All right, so the question is, will a bullet-safe, bulletproof vest stop a 223 with a, well, it's kind of a, how big is that barrel?
10.5-inch barrel.
So it doesn't quite have the velocity of a 16-inch barrel, but we're gonna find out in just a second.
Full metal jacket, ball round.
Here we go. Okay, definitely that was the impact point, and oh, that doesn't, that's kind of decimated. Shall we take this thing apart? Take it apart there.
So, did it go through is the question if it stopped.
Yeah, I don't know. See. Oh! I think our UPS is dead. Uh-oh. Yeah,
Clean through.
clean through. All right,
Alright, so
lesson learned. Let's see the other side. Did it come all the way through the box? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay, turn it around. Wow. It stopped it right there after going through a cardboard box. So definitely going to go through a body.
yeah.
Okay, so now we know. BulletSafe, level 3A, this particular one is set up that way, will stop a 9mm, but it will not stop a 223 traveling much faster with, what is it?
Full metal jacket.
Yeah, full metal jacket, quite a bit of velocity. That's probably why. Plus, it's a smaller bullet, right? All right. What are we going to try now?
12 gauge.
This is our non-scientific experiment, but so far so good. It's stopped what it's supposed to stop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go try out that shotgun. We're gonna have to pay for some felt.
Nah.
Yeah, I don't think one's gonna survive that.
Nope, somebody did. 100%. That is insane, Dad.
It did catch it.
Holy. It caught it.
Yeah, it caught it, but I think at the detriment of your spleen.
I mean, that's usually where body armor lies, so,
Yeah. I think your insides would have come out pretty good. You want to cut that open?
yeah, let's try.
All right. All right, there's the, holy smoke. So now we know what's inside. There's foam. There's some sort of polymer material, layers and layers of it. And holy smoke. Wow. We'll just slice it open, see what's inside.
Okay, so that's crazy. So there's BBs in there.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
BBs all in here. There's a BB right there.
Yeah. Nice. Well, not so nice for somebody wearing this. All right, lesson to be learned here, folks. This is not to disparage BulletSafe. It did what it was supposed to do. It stopped that handgun round, and both full metal jacket as well as hollow point quite well. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay, that's some pretty cool polymer stuff he's got going there.
Sorry, Tom, we're just going to dissect your armor here right quick.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
So this shows you guys what's involved in the Kevlar armor system. So you got the holder, the vest.
Yeah, ballistic nylon.
Nice,
yeah.
Whatever it's called. And then you got the... Look at that.
Yeah.
So this is 223 right here. So
yeah,
that's the round that we were supposed to go through. This is a slug that did not go through.
Wow.
And that slug's traveling at 1,000 feet per second, maybe?
Probably, yeah.
And but we're like 5 foot away.
Yeah.
I mean, that's insane. And
yeah.
You got foam.
Yeah.
Foam and tape.
Wow.
You know what? We might want to destroy this and dissect this back at the compound.
Yeah, let's do that.
We'll save this. We're gonna have some more fun though.
Okay,
That's
well,
insane.
Does a BulletSafe? Wow. So does a BulletSafe vest stop a 9mm?
Yes.
Yes.
Does it stop a shotgun? Yes.
Is it gonna hurt?
It's gonna hurt like hell. Yeah.
Happy New Year's to you, folks. Don't forget, subscribe, because we're going to have part 2 of this coming up pretty soon. And don't forget to ring the bell. I want to make sure you don't miss when we cut this thing open. Happy New Year's.